Gazi, how are you?
Hey, my darling, I'm very good, but in other words, I'm very miserable.
Oh my god, Gazi, why?
Why? You know the answer. I am not getting you as the way I got you last couple of the days, but I know you have been passing through very hard time, and I was told by you on the last live.
It's getting a little bit better because now I'm going into the new month pretty strong. So I am very optimistic about what's ahead.
You know what? I have got some problem in yourself that I really found. Can I say that? Yeah, the problem is you cannot be stable on your own self. Okay, so you need to be very stabilized with some specific point, like what are you gonna do, and just work behind of this point, and I hope that would be successful. You need to be stabilized.
I think after this month it'll be a lot better. I'm feeling really optimistic about everything from this point forward.
I'm very happy now that you are going to be better on the next month, February. So yeah, February is going to be my also turning point, and I'm gonna get some new pipe through my Facebook page on YouTube channel also, and definitely you will be included.
How's Facebook going? Is everything going good?
Everything really so much crack, completely cracking. My follower, my subscriber is going up very fast, very fast.
Oh, good.
Yeah, my dear. Look, I'm going to hit 160k follower from Facebook page tonight, and 38k subscriber gonna hit tonight. Very good, but that's not gonna be ended off until we are really getting reconciled each other. We want to work together.
You have your Facebook. Yeah, you monetized your Facebook, right?
Yep.
Yeah, very good.
But I am thinking to help a helpless man so that the man can really stay at home for a month. I'm gonna do that.
I think that would be a great idea.
Definitely, my dear friend, why not? As you know, we are going to be philanthropists. So this is just a starting. Little by little, one day, it will be really grown up.
Yeah, I think it would be really good. I think that kind of stuff helps you in the long run.
That's awesome. You know, what I'm doing through my Facebook page and YouTube channel, that's not my real in the main work actually. I'm doing this because it's a free content. And as you know, from where I'm trying to elevate my level.
I just think these kind of things take time, you know, they don't happen overnight. I haven't always created social media content, but over the years I've had a lot of businesses and hobbies and stuff like that. What I've learned is really like, I think people have this expectation that things happen overnight, but they just don't. It takes time.
Yeah.
And that's the reality of it.
Yeah, I know that.
Just because it happened doesn't mean you should give it up, but things don't happen overnight.
Nothing really come overnight. I understand the reality is too different. And so everything depends on just a niche. You know what? As you said, just finding my niche. But I am really settled right now. What should we do? So if we can go through just regarding of our niches, and I'm sure I can challenge you, within just a year, we would go to our dream. Absolutely. There's no more doubt.
I'm gonna focus on doing lifestyle content.
Not too bad.
Yeah, but my plan is I'm gonna make more accounts and do niche.
You know what? My audience is being dyed. because of your absence.
Yeah, I just need to be more consistent. I'm not very consistent enough with anything, unfortunately.
If you are not consistent with any specific things, that's called the procrastination. Don't do this, dear.
I find a lot of my problems is lack of strategy. I think I need to get a planner and really start to plan things out.
But I'm going to be part of you. I'm going to be part of you. You're not alone.
Thank you, Gazi.
Yeah.